Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add sounds to your Discord server Soundboard. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So adding sound to Discord of Soundboard is possible, giving you the ability to spice up your server interactions. So I will show you first. Actually, on the Discord already give you the free Soundboard. If you check, there's like this one or this. And if you want to add a new one, another Soundboard, so you can just search it first. You can search and download Soundboard Discord free. You can search for the sound that you like to add to your Discord server. And here, like this example, you can download it if you like it. Or this one. Or this one. You can just download it. Now you can go back to your Discord. You can open the Soundboard. There is an option add sounds, right? You can just select on that. You can choose file. You can browse the file. You can go to the download. You can search for the sound that you just downloaded. Wait. Okay. Okay, we'll check it on my browser. Okay, this one. You can select the sound and open. You can enter the sound name. I will name it wrist like this. You can also add the emoji like this. The sound volume. You can also trim it if it's too long. Now you can upload it like this. You have uploaded the sound. Let's now play it. It's so cool, right? You can add another one if you want to. You can choose the file. You can browse the file on download. This one. You can select on the sound that you want to add. Select on open. You can hold it away. Like this. You can upload it. And you can go back and hear the sounds again. On check the sound on the soundboard. So cool, right? So that is how to add the soundboard on your Discord server. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.